This is your command center, a biological processor with quantum computing power. But these dark, murky stains you see, these are electromagnetic noises we call stress. They are layers of accumulated time that have settled on your present. The bad news is, this noise is disrupting your cellular continuity. But the good news? You are the coder of this system, and right here, before your eyes, we are going to wipe them all away. According to the laws of quantum physics, the observer affects the observed. The moment you choose to look at these stains, the collapse of the stress wave function begins. You see, stress is essentially a calculation error. You are spending now's energy on future probabilities that don't even exist yet. In reality, you are rendering a toxic virtual reality inside your brain. Physicists say the universe is made of probabilities, so why do you always choose the worst one? Stress means being stuck in a repetitive loop. It's time to short-circuit this circuit. Believe it, because you are the architect of this space. Now, invoke the stress washer protocol. This active foam is a layer of pure awareness. Let it penetrate into the empty spaces between your neurons. Here, you must step out of linear time. Wait, do not rush, for rushing itself is made of those same stains. Let this quantum cleanser break the chemical bonds of cortisol. Fundamental change happens in silence, in the space between thoughts. Can you feel it? You are transforming from a stressed persona into a space of observation. And now, the moment of connection to the source. This crystal clear flow reduces your mental entropy or disorder to zero. This water is made of light. It's the same love that holds all the atoms of the universe together. The master engineer designed you as a harmonious masterpiece, not a system in collapse. When you align your heart frequency with the frequency of creation, stress no longer has a physical definition in your body. Look, absolute clarity. You have now returned to factory settings. Now it is time for the final system upgrade. We are installing the Anti-Stress Shield package. This is not just software, it is a change in the very density of your presence. Watch as golden threads of light rewire new neural pathways. We are coding quantum resilience into the deepest layers of your identity. Right now, in the core of your atomic bonds, feel this change. Allow this golden light to penetrate the deepest grooves of your brain and rebuild the fabric of your existence. You no longer tremble before the storms outside, because you are the storm yourself. This golden brilliance is your bulletproof armor in a chaotic world. Feel it. You have transformed from matter into light. To ensure this update sticks, you must also manage the hardware. Remember the 90-second rule? But let's go one step further, the peripheral awareness technique. Whenever stress attacks, you have 90 seconds to exit the tunnel vision on the problem. Soften your gaze and look at the empty space around you. When you expand your field of vision, your brain automatically signals safety. Combine this with a breathing hack, 2 short inhales through the nose and 1 very long exhale through the mouth. This is how you instantly reset the vagus nerve. By doing this, you are re-engineering your blood chemistry in real time. Your system is now at its highest stability. Now it's time to sing a spiritual hymn. A hymn we created especially for this video and this channel. So let's close our eyes and sing together. And don't forget, this is just the beginning of our channel. So if you don't want to miss the rest of the secrets, make sure to subscribe.
Wash the stress, dissolve the stain. In this flow I rise again.
Cleanse the mind, erase the pain.
Free the soul.